Hey folks, it's that time again. Welcome to 2 Minutes with Bill Robinson, brought to you by the Perry Hill Road Church of Christ here in Montgomery, Alabama. Paul established for his readers in Ephesians 4, verse 1 through 3, that the unity of the Spirit is essential to the identity of the church that we read about in the New Testament. Furthermore, that identity shapes the uniqueness of the church also by its commitment to the 7 distinctives on which the existence of the church depends. Thus, Paul enjoins upon his readers these 7 distinctives. There is one body and one Spirit, just as you are called to the one hope that belongs to your call. One Lord, one faith, one baptism, one God and Father, who is over all and through all and in all. Verses 4 through 6. We noted yesterday that there is one body, and that body was the church, comprised of all saved individuals, whether Jew or Gentile. Paul connects the one body to the one Spirit, meaning the Holy Spirit. And if we think about the Holy Spirit, he was clearly there in the beginning of creation, creating and making the earth habitable for mankind, Genesis 1. So, what is the Spirit doing in the New Testament? He brought into existence a new creation through Jesus Christ, by which he is able to reconcile both Jew and Gentile unto God in one body, through the death of Christ on the cross. And as Paul would say in chapter 2 and verse 18, through Christ, we both, that is, Jew and Gentile, have access in one Spirit to the Father. In other words, the Spirit made habitable a spiritual body, a temple, that we, both Jew and Gentile, could be built together, that is, those who are in a saved relationship to God, into a dwelling place for God by the Spirit. Ephesians 2, verse 22. Only by the Spirit do we have access to God because of what Jesus accomplished on the cross. And thus Jesus declared, I am the way and the truth and the life. No man comes to the Father except through me, John 14 and verse 6. How about you, friend? Would you like to learn more about the Holy Spirit? If you got a Bible question, email me at perryhillchurch@gmail.com. perryhillchurch@gmail.com. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for listening.